Vinterdis, and welcome to Inera Calm. And in this series, I want to gently introduce you to the practice of Yoga Nidra. If you are completely new to this practice, you do not need any experience. Yoga Nidra is not about performance. It is a gradual process of allowing the body and the nervous system to slow down naturally. Many people come to Yoga Nidra because they feel exhausted, overstimulated, emotionally overwhelmed, or unable to truly rest. And this practice creates a space where the body can begin to feel safe enough to soften. In this first video, I simply want to help you understand what Yoga Nidra really is, what you may experience during the practice, and why there is no perfect way to do it. So take a slow breath and let us begin. What does the phrase Yoga Nidra actually mean? Yoga Nidra is often translated as yogic sleep. But it is not ordinary sleep. And it is not about losing consciousness. Instead, Yoga Nidra is a state between wakefulness and sleep, where the body becomes deeply relaxed, while some level of awareness still remains. During the practice, you will usually be lying down comfortably with your eyes closed, simply listening to guidance. There is nothing you need to achieve. You are not trying to stop your thoughts. You are not trying to empty your mind. And you do not need intense concentration. In many ways, Yoga Nidra works through allowing rather than effort. As the body relaxes more deeply, the nervous system slowly begins to shift away from stress and constant alertness. And over time, many people begin to notice a sense of quiet, space, and restoration that can feel very different from ordinary rest. Some people remain fully awake during the practice. Some drift in and out of sleep, and some experience something in between. All of these experiences are completely normal. As the body begins to relax deeply, the nervous system also begins to change. Many of us spend long periods of time in stress, pressure, mental stimulation, and constant alertness. Over time, the body can forget how to fully rest. Yoga Nidra helps guide the nervous system away from that state of tension and toward a state of restoration. Breathing may become slower, the muscles may soften, the mind may begin to feel quieter or more distant. Some people notice sensations of heaviness, others feel lightness, warmth, floating, or a change in their sense of time. As the practice deepens, brain activity also begins to slow naturally. This is one reason why Yoga Nidra can sometimes feel deeply restorative, even when the session is short. And again, there is no single correct experience. Every nervous system responds differently. One of the most important things to understand about Yoga Nidra is that you cannot really fail at it. Many beginners worry that they are doing it wrong. But usually, what they are experiencing is completely normal. For example, some people fall asleep during the practice. That is normal. Some people notice that their minds continue thinking. That is also normal. And sometimes, the moment the body finally becomes quiet, emotions that were hidden beneath stress begin to surface. This can feel unfamiliar at first, but it does not mean something is wrong. Yoga Nidra is not about forcing silence. It is not about controlling every thought. The practice is simply an invitation to rest with awareness exactly as you are. Some sessions may feel calm, some may feel emotional, some may feel deeply restful, and some may simply feel quiet and ordinary. All of that is part of the process. People sometimes think Yoga Nidra and meditation are exactly the same thing. And while they are connected, the experience can feel very different. In many forms of meditation, attention is trained more actively. You may focus on the breath, observe thoughts, or repeatedly return awareness to a single point of attention. Yoga Nidra is softer. Instead of sustained concentration, you are guided through layers of awareness while the body remains deeply relaxed. Most Yoga Nidra practices are done lying down with very little effort. Rather than trying to control the mind, the practice gradually allows the body and nervous system to settle on their own. And because of this, many people who struggle with traditional meditation find Yoga Nidra more accessible, especially during periods of stress, fatigue, or emotional exhaustion. Neither practice is better. They simply work through different pathways. And this is only the beginning of the practice. Yoga Nidra unfolds gradually through repetition, through familiarity, and through learning how to feel safe enough to truly rest. With time, many people begin to notice subtle changes in the way they move through daily life. Breathing becomes softer. The body carries less tension. Moments of stillness begin to feel more natural. These changes are not created through force. They emerge slowly as the nervous system spends more time in states of deep rest and restoration. And throughout this series, the intention is simply to guide you into that process gently, one session at a time. In the next lesson, we will begin with one of the most important foundations of Yoga Nidra, learning how to relax the body gradually and comfortably. So when you are ready, continue to lesson 1.1, how to relax your body in Yoga Nidra. Until then, move gently through the rest of your day.